Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to reduce the volume of the alarm clock on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write your comments. Let's get started. If we go to the alarm clock, here we can see that we have different alarms. With the plus sign, we can create a new one. But unfortunately, in the alarm clock menu, we can't adjust its volume. So what to do? To do this, we need to exit the alarm clock. Then we go to Settings. We go to the Sounds and Haptics section. Here we see this line with microphones. And we can adjust it automatically. Making it louder or making it quieter. If we swipe from side to side, so we can adjust not only the volume of the alarm clock, but also the volume of notifications and calls. If you don't want to go into the settings every day and adjust the volume of your alarm clock, you can just click on this button. When it turns green, it means that we can adjust the volume using the side sound keys. And you can do the same thing when you go to the menu. You can also use the side sound keys. This is how easy and simple it is to adjust the volume of your alarm clock on iPhone. Write comments, subscribe to the channel. See you soon.